you guys have done the hardest part of tonight. You have made it through this competition. But if you move on to the next round, the challenges will begin again. But let's go ahead and talk to some of our hopefuls and find out what they're feeling this evening. I will start here. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Mindy.
Hi, Mindy, right? Mindy. I saw your name like Mindy or Mindy, right?
Everyone just calls me Mindy.
Okay, Mindy works. So, how are you feeling about your performance tonight?
Well, I'm not quite certain, but being here in the top 70 is already a win. So, yeah, I'm just hoping for the best, and everyone's looking amazing, so.
It's definitely something that they cannot take away from you guys tonight. Okay, so you missed a race this afternoon, right?
Yeah, I did.
So, same as me, but no. I'm super happy to be here because I heard everybody's stories, like the inspiration that everyone had. So tonight, win, lose, or draw, what are you happy that you're here?
I'm definitely happy, and it's the right choice. I missed a race, but there's gonna be another race in the next few months, but it's one in a lifetime.
That's right, so good luck. How about you, Maureen? Who you
And
got?
now, yes, we heard from our lovely ladies. Let's hear it from some of our male contestants. What's your name? How are you feeling?
It's so great that I get to share this experience with a lot of people. These people.
And if you had to describe today in one word, what word would you use?
Definitely wonderful. It is. Because it's a great experience. And I learned about a lot of experiences. I got to expand my thoughts or my ideas of how people actually experience time. And it's really wonderful.
I'd love to hear it.
All right, so we are back here, but I think the anticipation is, well, you guys would like me to finish the anticipation because the results are in.
They are. Are you ready to meet the finalists?
I am ready to meet the finalists. So, about 30 of our finalists right here are going to the next round, and some of these people here are going to be the next Tuna Superbods 2026. This is a big deal for everybody. Are you guys like really ready to get out there and finish this? Or you want it, or we can do it more. You want to go on for another round or do walk around and around? So you've been here before, right? So are any of these feelings coming back?
Yes. You know, it's a mix of excitement, nerves. You think about all the hard work you put in. You make so many friends, so I'm so excited for you all to experience your very own Superbod era.
All right, let's continue to talk to some of the candidates, contestants, hopefuls. What's your name?
My name's Jody.
Jody. Okay, so tonight, name one thing that you're proud of.
I'm proud of the women and men around me and proud that we all share the same experience of showing up for ourselves, for our families, for our loved ones, and I'm really excited for everyone's outcomes tonight.
Thank you. I'm really excited as well. How about you? If you could describe tonight in one word, what would it be?
Nice nerve-wracking.
Nerve-wracking. Okay, that makes hyphen with one word. Yeah, that works. Nerve-wracking. What was the most nerve-wracking part of the night?
Probably walking out, of course, in your bikinis or maybe topless for men, and just expressing your own story. It's a nerve-wracking experience, but at the same time, it's a lovely experience to be able to share a piece of yourself to the judges and to the audiences.
Yes, it's definitely, like, I would assume that it's very difficult. You're out there in your bikini, you're pouring your heart out, telling some of your most vulnerable stories to, like, people judging you. Like, that must be super, super hard. But I just have to say congratulations to all of you guys. Such an amazing and courageous job all of you did tonight. So I think it is time for us to really finally get to who is going to move on to the next round, shall we?
Let's do it!
All right, let's go.